Hi everyone. You have asked us questions about similar MOSFETs. This dear member has asked us to introduce similar MOSFETs of AON 7380 MOSFET. I have the datasheet of the MOSFET. So you can use MOSFETs with similar specifications. For example, it should be a 30-volt N-channel MOSFET. And drain source voltage needs to be 30 volt too. Drain current needs to be 24 ampere. And there are two cases for drain source resistance. 1. When gate source voltage is 10 volt, the resistance needs to be lower than 6.8 milliohm. 2. When gate source voltage is 4.5 volt, the resistance needs to be lower than 10.5 milliohm. So if you have a MOSFET with specifications close to this one, you can use that. Or if you want to buy a MOSFET, but you can't find it anywhere, you can go to alltransistors.com and go to MOSFET section. There are different transistors that you can search easily. I choose MOSFET. You can fill in the empty boxes and find a similar MOSFET to yours. The first one is structure. You can leave it blank or write MOSFET. It doesn't matter, therefore I'll leave it blank. The second box is its polarity. In this box, you need to write the wattage used by the MOSFET. PD is short for power dissipation and W is wattage unit. You can refer to MOSFET datasheet. You can find PD there. It is 9.5 watts to 24 watts. You can choose according to your model. But I suggest that you choose the maximum wattage. I'll write it. It's more proper. It asks for drain source voltage here. You can check it on datasheet. It is 30 volt. I'll check gate source voltage too. It's plus 20 volt. I'll write it here. You can fill the rest, but you can also leave them blank. The most important part is caps, which is the package of MOSFET. I'll search this without filling caps and drain source resistance sections, and you'll see that it shows different MOSFETs. Let me click on search. And as you see, there are different MOSFETs with different packages. And you can choose the one that matches to your package. I'll fill in the rest of the boxes so that it can show fewer results. Let me fill in caps. DFN 3x3. You might wonder where I found DFN 3x3. It's also on datasheet. As you see, DFN 3x3 EP is written in package type section. And I'll write the minimum value of drain source resistance. It is 6.5 milliohm, which I'll write. It will show the MOSFETs with lower resistance. I'll write 6.5 for this one as well. It is resistance. So I need to write 0.065, which equals 65 milliohm. I'll click on search and it will show limited results. As you see, there are several MOSFETs. The polarity as N-channel. The structure as MOSFET. Power dissipation as 62 watts to 24 watts. Which was the minimum wattage that I chose. These are different wattage values of MOSFETs. Drain source voltage and the rest of the list. You can choose the MOSFET with most similar specifications. You can easily find the MOSFET according to its package and search it. Or ask if anyone has that MOSFET on the market or not. And that's how to find similar MOSFETs.